So last class we have left on absolute path, relative path, copy and move. Rest all we have done in creating and managing files and folder. To understand this absolute and relative path, we have to understand first the folders. This is a tree-like structure. So suppose on this root partition, this first one is our root partition. On the root partition, we have one folder called Asia. Inside the Asia, we have two folder. Inside that also we have files or folder. If you have to specify the path, so first we have to understand where we are currently. What is our present working folder? So suppose currently I am in Nepal folder. So Nepal folder is my present working directory. I am inside this folder and I have to copy Delhi in Janakpur. So how I will write the path? So there are two type of path when we talk about absolute path. We have command cp copy. For file normal cp is enough. If you are copying folder then you have to use minus r. Okay. For file minus r is not required. And F for force, because if you are copying anything and you don't put force, then every before copying every files and folder it will ask, do you want to copy this? Okay, so you don't want that type of question, then you will use minus rf. Okay, so copy a space. Then if you specify the path from the top means in Linux everything starts from root partition. So if you are specifying from the top, from the root slash Asia slash India slash Delhi. So this path is called absolute path, means path is starting from root partition till the target, including all the files and folder. That is called absolute path. Okay, so absolute path have complete roadmap. Absolute path starts with forward slash because it locates from the root partition. This point is clear. And we can use absolute path at any time. Any time means wherever you are, in which current working folder, that doesn't matter for absolute path, because we are specifying the location from the beginning. Okay. Then what is your target? If I have to specify the absolute path for the target, again same slash Asia slash Nepal slash Janakpur. So this is what absolute path. Clear? So absolute path identification is, it starts from root partition forward slash it include all the files and folder, or you can say all the folder till the target. Okay, from the root partition till target, whatever comes, it specifies all the folder names, and this absolute path can be used anytime. Wherever you are, in which current working folder, that doesn't matter. Is it clear? Any confusion? So whenever you have to copy or move anything, this is the way how you are going to specify the path. Clear? So you should have clear idea where is your files and folder. Next method for the same. If I want to specify the same thing in another method, this path is called absolute path. And for the same, if I am going to write relative path, so relative path we cannot write for the current working uh, for the target which is outside of current working folder. Understood? So relative path we can write only for the target which is in our current working folder. Understood? We cannot write for the target which is out of current working folder. If it is your target is out of current working folder, then always you have to write relative path. But if your target, either source, destination, or both are in current working folder, then you have to specify using absolute path. You can use you can use absolute path, but if source and destination both are in current working folder, you can use relative path. So relative path does not start with forward slash. So identification is relative path never starts with forward slash, because if you write forward slash means again it locates root partition. So here you see we have not started from forward slash, and after the present working directory where it is, we define like this. Suppose my present working directory is Asia, and then I have to write the same. Okay. If my present working directory is Asia and I have to write this all, then how I can write? I am going to write relative path. CP space, same thing, copying Delhi in Janakpur. CP space, I have to write India slash Delhi space Nepal slash Janakpur. Understood the concept? How to write a relative path. So relative path starts from current working folder, and then you have to locate the target without starting with forward slash. So this is the example of relative path. So relative path we can use only when our current target is in current working folder, inside the current working folder. If it is outside your current working folder, then which path you will use? Absolute path. Clear this confusion? So now what you have to do? Later just is to separate now. That can be there. Initial means it always refer root partition. That's why we cannot give initially. So to practice the same, start creating files and folder like this. You can create, right, in your Linux, log in with the root, because on root partition only root can do. Okay. So log in with the root, create a folder Asia, then inside that India, Nepal, then inside this create some file, create some folders, create a tree like a structure, and then we'll see. Just start. Depends. Create one folder, one file. If you create one file, it will be easier for you to see file copying and moving. Okay, so now you see I'm going to create the same mkdir slash Asia cd slash Asia MKDIR India, Nepal, CDS space India, MKDIR Delhi, Puri. Okay. CDS space dot dot to exit one step. CDS space Nepal cat space Janakpur. 3 space slash Asia. Exactly the same for you also. Now the thing is we have to learn how to copy. Same copy space, you want to copy folder, then minus R F slash Asia slash India slash Delhi in slash Asia slash Nepal. Done. What is the problem? You want to copy Janakpur in Puri slash Asia slash Nepal slash Janakpur. As it is a file, we don't need to write anything. Slash Asia India Puri. Done. Where is the problem? Tell me. You want to move file from Puri to Delhi. Instead of CP, use MV command. Puri slash Janakpur in Asia India Delhi. Now you see, from Puri move to Delhi. If you understand the path properly, it is very easy. Copy move what it asks. Only what is your source, what is your destination. So that's why I was explaining first how to write path. Okay. Try now. And if anyone is having any doubt, can ask. Why you want to scroll? What is the use of history then? Uh, I need to book one appointment for Dr. Purnachandra, gastro. Jayanagar. Nikhat 80 and phone number is same 9097 909787 5201. Hmm. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, and how much is the consultation? Okay, okay. So sharp 12 o'clock, na? Okay, fine, fine. Huh? Capital small, capital and small letter. You have written properly, na? You are connected on internet. Connect. Basement ground floor. Correct, na? Here is the Wi-Fi. Why I am asking, because I just want to show your screen to all here. So I will take on any desk and I will show what is the problem and how to fix it. Connect with this internet and show me this. Open this software, any desk. Done for you all. Or you are waiting anyhow the class time should finish. I'll get the recording and just copy paste exact command. Hmm? Done for you. Success. For rest all. Why? Huh? Copy. Huh? Tell me any disk ID. 127. Huh? Huh? 100. So he is facing issue that uh, files and folder not found. Correct? Can you go to view virtual screen 125%? Now click here. Uh, Click on don't show and capture. Click. Hmm. So you are facing the problem is no such file and directory. Correct? So can anyone find what exactly is the problem? You are copying inside Asia Delhi inside Puri. Correct? Do you know what is your problem? Anyone can troubleshoot first. Let me see. I found where is the problem. Let me see your brain, how much you can think. Hmm? It's time for you to do some troubleshooting. So we don't have any special module for troubleshooting. When trouble comes, immediately shoot. Huh? So what is the solution as per you? File name is different. He is trying to copy Delhi folder in Puri folder. That's why he has written the path. Did not work. It will not work for any file folder. I know the reason. What is the reason? Tell me. Ulta Sida doesn't matter. Here the problem is you have created Asia folder inside your present working folder Varun, and you are locating path that Asia folder is on root partition. No need to go there. Just you give slash home slash Varun slash Asia and then try, it will work now. You don't need to go anywhere. Just you do the same what I told you. You went there but you didn't hit CD enter. When you have gone to root user, you have used SU but you didn't hit CD enter. So you jump from Varun to root for the login, but home directory is still of Varun. And while creating folder Asia, you have not used slash. You have only written mkdir Asia, correct? Put the command history, type history. See the mistake. MKDIR Asia. Got it? Your problem. And when I was creating, I have given slash Asia. That's why my path was working, because while creating, I have given, I want to create on root partition. So I have given slash Asia. And if you don't locate the path, it will create in current working folder. Got the point? So if you want, we can copy the same, no problem. Instead of slash, you have to write slash home slash Varun slash Asia, and then so on. It will work. Huh? Varun home folder. Everything is there. So you have to locate path as per that folder. Got it? So that was his mistake. He has created Asia folder but not on root partition. To create on root partition, you have to give slash then the name. And maybe lot of you are doing the same mistake and you are trying, it's not working for you.